This is Pond Cut. Fabulous Kilted geode site. That was a lot of water.
Yep.
Now, y'all just bear with us here a minute. They will carefully get that out. They don't want the chain to drop down, so it takes a second. And they'll bring it up to the camera for you. I want to thank DAPA for letting us see it be opened up for the world.
Pull this side out.
Let its inner beauty out. Got lots of quartz fingers. It's got that kind of tan hue to the quartz, not a smoky, but a tan. Okay, got to touch the geodes, guys. DAPA come up just a little bit. Okay. Nice overall. I'm assuming there's some marcasite, so I'm seeing something shining off of the light.
Yeah, it looks like there might be some little
Mini needles.
Mini pyrites, or yeah, I'm seeing some extra glitter in the. John, rock yours back and forth again. There you go.
Like right over here and here, there's